So if you want to report me to Western Union, I want to think them that go blacklist me. As them know say me no thief, cause them when me used to go there myself before me start employ people for people.
When in there?
Me I get blame feet when the money I come on my own. I give me a give back out.
When in there?
I put food in the people them want pick it up and enough of them there and I walk. And then go pick up my money.
Alright, so everybody know who was Mystery Lady of Alurler. Who was Mystery Lady? Mystery Lady, where did I pull down Donna and I call up Western Union and report Donna name? Guess who was Mystery Lady? Jennifer Barron. Jennifer Barron and Mystery Lady.
And then come and then get that 3,000. Let me tell them how much me give the pick-up person. Them say, no man, auntie. I'm going to send a $15 on it or a 20. Give them that. And then tell them correspond with them. So me did not only make way for the people them on the program where I get help, but me did not make way for the pick-up person them who I pick up because they were having an annual income. Some of them get black for charity at 3 months, then take for pull you. And Jamaica MoneyGram are the longest one, take the longest to pull you. So why would I come on my platform and make such an invalid statement? For look at cloud. When you guys talk on a platform and instigate lies and call Western Union and say me come out and say, oh Western Union, you're the lady.
I was Jennifer Barron.
And you know, have your name there.
The same lady where did I play yesterday, co-worker, was she? Leggy the have it. And the same lady where did I play upon your show yesterday, co-worker. And she same one. The same exact lady where did I play upon your show. And she. Like Leggy should have dropped this before.
You never go there to pick up no money, damn. It's my name, the people them I tell them.
Sharon Lincoln.
These people who pick up the money now cover for me. Once them start interrogating them,
Mary.
Is Miss Donna send me? How you know this person in America? How you know this person in America for this person I send you $500? How you know this person? Because you can't pick up $2,000 Western Union. They're not giving you 2,000. You have to have 2 ID. You have to have this.
So Donna, who asked you to come explain him something here?
Nobody can go there and pick up 2,000. The most of my lawyers pick up is $1,000.
Who are going to come explain?
Under 1,000, not over. So no Donna never send 5,000 to Western Union.
Baga.
When the Donna them send money to me, yeah. Sometimes they say Auntie Donna then question me.
Let's give them something to talk about. Hi, boy.
I mean, I got to work out for nobody. I mean, I got to work out for nobody. I mean, nobody tell no lie for me. I mean, I tell no lie. Because I don't know me.
Ashanti.
I saw me tell them. Because I said, I can't bother with the interrogation with them. I question me to send more money.
Marlene.
I said to them, say, tell them what to see, show them the video if anything, and make them and tell them. I want to tell them, they say the truth always go through. So, I say me a liar. She come on our platform and say Western Union call her. I ask her, this money is for. Yes, because the people, them are going to pick it up when Western, you think Western Union does.
Yeah, but who you explain this to? The haters them who ask for explanation. Yeah, the people content, I mean.
I saw a Pansy Black on the Auntie Donna give me Pansy Black number. Where you know Auntie Donna from? From social media, Facebook or charity
people
program.
Do that.
And I want to help so and so. I was not forced to
not all to do with that.
Chose to send my money to Auntie Donna. I trust Auntie Donna. Okay. When you send your money to Auntie Donna, does Auntie Donna do what you say you wanted to do? Yes. Okay, so the person that is picking up for Auntie Donna, do you know this person? No, Auntie Donna gave me the person's name to send the money in.
I mean, who want to know? Who asks?
When me tell you if you want to know Donna's business, I say me get $5,000
I mean, that should be Donna's business. Like, they still going to talk bad about her. True. When me have your words I thought though, and me twist it up, that's more convincing than when I come out and tell the lies, straight lies. Me, I tell you, cause you see me, we in a this, so me know it. Lie, I tell you to keep your mouth shut, you know, and don't talk for a reason. Cause anything you say, good or bad, could be. Alright, so anything you say, good or bad, them just twist it up. So certain things, me personally don't even use it. Trust me. Trust me. I know exactly what I'm talking about.
I don't know if a bank they send it through. Them family.
Donors are, you and your donors private business. Nobody no want no co-worker. That the people in business.
When they want to send big money come here, they don't send it through no can be up. Me no go pick up none. They send them, some of them send them.
Like, come here, you do one of them show you, like, you know, people them love say, you know, have them show you.
When she has to know one heap of money, or her daughter, them no send nothing come, me no go send nobody nowhere. And choose them, if anybody send choose them, $10, $50, $100, $1,000 the most, and then name a call out and the person, and the money now pick up to, Kara not take none. Cause by Tina only take $500 out of each money for beer.
Da da dee, da da da.
So, if you know what?
Them can go jump on the purse, then no one and say, you a thief the money with Dara, you are this, you are get the $500. Then they got here returning at 5,000, then 50,000, then twist it that way, yeah. Then them twist it that way, then that person and for them family get dragged in like, it's like me a mix up. Me a mix up for a reason. You give them stuff, they will take the content and do what they want to do with the content. Be careful.
And I say me a scam money. When do I send money for get to any? When me I read out money or me read them out in a life.
Yeah, but the video, me I go play. The thing with, sure say, a Jennifer Barron, I did a call Western Union. But,
so if you see, it's a lucky thing Western Union, I don't know, idiot, I never did that do. Nothing illegal. And the first, you know me that come out, come address it. And I over 2 years, this is sitting here talk me here. So sometimes you have to step and crap belly. Me can't believe the people them say me I tell lies say Western Union. Why would I? Me could have come out come call Western Union name and then the way there. I'm the go on the baller. I'm the go. At least him come out when I'm tell you to before that in the stop because him said to me when him live one day him said me realize all of the people them did that tell me boy you're true. A lie. I couldn't go up on my platform and I talk this whole heap of things, boy, when me realize, when him see evidence, all of them things that were there.
And I never went back there. And I never went back there, I swear.
That before he even did meet me. Him said, when him like, he said, Jano.
Me start months before.
Him hugged me up. And he squeezed me. And he said to me. And that's why me say, even when I tell them I set him up and I say, me say, when me come to America, me I go swim and him say it, and him level, me say, Ashanti, you're not in it. Because the good thing about it, you disrespect me publicly, and you apologize to me.
Over and over.
Me not trouble you. If you still want trouble me, that's fine. But me move on from this. So him not know me, him never meet me. And me even say I tried to do me some of the most heinous things. And him apologize to me.
Admit it too.
When Ashanti look back and see the things that the people them say about me, even Matt Laka here said, she said, my God, I'm wicked and wicked. because all only have one barrel of gun here. So them the people them go as far as to take a picture from China with gun in a barrel. And
sure that
Photoshop it. Remember, me have them evidence. Them, me not dash them way. And me have who come out say I like them I tell. Remember? And put it in front of me gate. I say I might get the barrel gun there. Which part from my view? Then this a woman here want to try to could have sit down with a barrel gun. And police don't lock me up.
Mark them still on the phone. One of them just have to look to see if one or two of them will send me.
Like they don't mean this, Donna, listen to me, you don't listen, and this is the problem. You see, all of them,
and you never see me go back there, sir. And me come on and say, no one make a change, and take my time without saying nothing, till one day I come on and show myself. And say, me now first me start off with me now call on the name. So I make my point other way. And I take the time and you see me.
I may never meet you.
But then the nasty thing there, you see all of them wicked people there, God have a special
Never call no Western Union, nothing like that. I did nothing like think of it. I send nobody over the woman's yard. The people let me know. Like myself, I mean go work on the body now.
Yes.
I like you see something, and I would have see soon so I saw some of the audience them see. Like you see it, but co-worker not see it. And like you want to grab her out of the show. And it's like, alright then, put it this way. You never watch some show yet, and the killer come, and the little white girl act fool. And you say, run, girl, run, stop, drop her, act say, idiot. Come on, come. And cause like you know what I go on. But then, them in the show, and them you don't know what I go on. You get what I say? But you are watch the show, no, you have to laugh, run. If I come, move from this, so. Yeah. When I get the point, I saw it feel like. And the look, now listen to you.
Ashanti can't take fuckery. Donna know how people stay that she get alive with Queen B last night. Yeah. Like she don't want jump up, yeah. Then now see her over there right now. At the damage control, she never know say Queen B did a bash her, so she never know say Queen B did make you start. They don't want me to
love you, IQ. Kingston 13. Alright then. Kingston 13. You just do something like that about 2 times. The same thing you just do to him. Them just do it to you too, you know.
Because and at the same time now, suppose me to say, you say you don't want to see the enemy them. Then or you accept the enemy them now. Or you accept the enemy them.
That's why me says Stacey Campbell, Kingston 13, Observer TV. The cutest, the latest to everybody else. But 13, I'm not like want you to do, I know you hurt about it, but I just not like when you get too angry or, like, you know, I'm the one you kind of express it in a different way. You must, but I still don't want you come off that way there. You know me just want the best.
Overwhelm. And don't tell me say, Donna no Queen Bee come here, Donna do live and mention and talk when somebody did do, I think I the same Dottie Michelle Donna she say, bad to bad Queen Bee. So don't feel say Donna don't know Queen Bee, then know you're over there again. So where you going? Where you going? Because I said Queen Bee don't like Donna with Marcia, without Marcia, within the she do not like Donna. Donna couldn't do her life. Go look for she want to take them down now. When you look and see all about them, she don't like her. And Donna, she will never like you.
Kingston 13. But I tell you, the difference with me and Uno. Just Uno, when I say Uno, I say the female them around me, when I do the show with. I take out the matlock outside. For that one, I matlock I one of the G them. You see me? I'm going to tell you now. You see, with Una and me different, Una getting on a woman feelings. A whole heap. Because Donna do the same kind of things them to me. I'm telling you, I get a black. And me and Donna show shades. I don't look for her. And I get a black and lose my monetization. And me and Donna go on. And why me go on and ring out the way in the day now? Because at least 4 planka call me and a ball. Living high water. Ball. We are doing the Donna and them feel so hurt. I'm a come on. I'm a lose my monetization and the same night me hear Donna. So she not tell nobody for course, yeah. Me make that stop me. May I lose my money and did I make it? Come on, I'm a bust up head and do a man the same way. Me not getting on the feeling.
Just can't bother with it. Me can't bother with the fucker sometimes. Me can't bother
and but not say me never feel a way inside. I did. But it's what man say, but me not make that way name. Is it true now, woman? Like, me can put some things in front of something. No, because now, woman. No problem.
She know everything. And she got this and she got that. And when Queen D come, yeah. Then now today you over there now, you never know if you're a Queen D called Western Union. You never know if you're a Queen D. So,
but KINGSTON 13, me never know either. To them, me I know. I mean, in this more than Donna, I never know. So that's possible too, but what she do, you never like. Me never like it either. But come out and say, but you know, me not so like, you see me have my different way of me deal with my things.
Queen D, I look to the live page, because Queen D, I look money for go fight for deadlift house at Jamaica. Him stepfather know exactly when that make him never put in name for the title. The Queen D go sell out him and fit in them and go buy khaki. But Donna stay over them and Queen D, we stay far.
Donna not stay. See that the difference between me and Unida. You know so Donna not stay with no Queen B. So why you say that for?
Me not say no.
Alright, you have a right to say it, because Donna go over there go play the video. Which of you are sure she can do what she do. So you have a right to say that. But me I know say she can't stay on a blood clot shop. She could have tried, Donna almost fall free, but she can't stay over there. And the offer. And I meet open up our lock shop, but you mad?